Here is our easy way to combine two dreams for mascarpone cheese, Swiss meringue buttercream. Whisk 8 ounces of pasteurized egg whites on medium speed until they're foamy all the way through to the bottom. You'll see a nice mountain peak in your bowl when you lift your whisk. Then add in a 2-pound bag of powdered sugar. See? Easy. I know, I think I'm going to make this my go-to frosting. It's so easy. You don't even have to measure. If you add it in all at once, your whisk can send powdered sugar all over your kitchen. Hey. Space mosquitoes. And this is what egg white soup looks like, in case you're curious. Oh, and don't forget your kosher salt. It adds balance to the taste. And just like traditional Swiss meringue buttercream, add in your butter 1 chunk at a time. Add it in, let it whisk all the way in. A chunk is about 2 tablespoons. Add in another, let it blend all the way. Here's where we change the recipe for mascarpone cheese. We put in 1.5 cups less of butter and add in 16 ounces of the cheese. Oh, so dreamy. Add in your mascarpone cheese in chunks too. There's nothing complicated. And you can even pipe flowers with it. We made these 3 roses and posed them on top of the cake. Notice how yellow it is. That's because of the butter. The trick there is to add a tiny bit of purple gel food coloring. Don't add in too much or your frosting will be a lavender and there's no going back. There, you can see the difference. If you laugh, share this with a friend.